How to fix TikTok live option not showing in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can go live on TikTok on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your TikTok, and normally what we do is we tap on the plus icon on the bottom and see a live option somewhere around here. Now if you don't find the live option here, that might be because you do not meet the requirement. So the requirements are that you will at least need to be 18 years old to go live. You must be at least 18 years old to receive or send gifts during a live, and you need to have at least 1,000 followers to go live. So if you do not feel any one of these requirements, you will not be able to go live on TikTok. So make sure that you meet these requirements. And even after that, if you're not able to go live, simply head over to your app store, search for TikTok, and then just update to the latest version. Because sometimes your TikTok might not be working well because of few bugs and errors. So yeah, updates come with different new patches with which your problem will get fixed and you will be able to use TikTok live. And yeah, those are the things that you need to keep in mind. First is you will need to meet the requirement. The second is that you will need to make sure that you have the updated version of TikTok. And even after all that your live function is not working, you can head over to the settings and privacy, and right here just scroll down under your settings and privacy, and there you will need to report the problem. Scroll down all the way and you'll find report a problem option. Simply tap on that, and there you should see a live option. After you find the live option right here, you will need to just report your problem. And yeah, that is how you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.